Hi, Joe again from NH Oil Undercoating. Today we're going to cover mobile undercoating. May be a good option for you, may be the only option for you. You may have a fleet of vehicles always in use. You can't afford to have downtime. We can come to you. We can do it sometimes on a weekend. Maybe you have that classic car, don't want to drive it on the road. Boom, we come right to your house, put it up, and you are rust-proof and protected for the year. Stay tuned. One of the reasons that mobile undercoating may be a good choice for you, time. You don't have time to bring it to one of our dealers. Well, right here at NH Oil Undercoating, we have a list of mobile undercoaters that will come right to your residence, right to your place of business. And this service can be performed from the comfort of your office or your living room. Another reason may be you own a fleet, you're busy, your vehicles are on the road constantly, you can't afford the downtime. Well, we can come right to you. In many cases, we can come out on a weekend or after business hours. While you're in your office, your vehicles are being rust-proofed. And we can do this job efficiently and we can do it professionally. These vehicles are equipped with very modern equipment. Everything we use in the shop. High pressure systems, 45-degree wands. They have the ability to blow off dust and dirt and get into all the nooks and crannies. The vehicle is brought up in most cases on a wedge trailer, which allows the applicator to service that vehicle same way they would if it was on a lift in a shop. Here's some videos by some of our mobile undercoaters. As you can see, this job is being done professionally. You may have heavy equipment that doesn't fit on a lift. Well, we have the answer for that as well. We'll come out, undercoat it right in your place of business. Most of these trailers are self-contained, so when we pull up, we don't need anything. Just give us a place to park and we go to it. Weather is a factor, so you may want to plan ahead and have an alternative date. Some of these guys require you to be within a certain distance and they require a minimum amount of vehicles to be undercoated. So they may not drive out an hour to do one vehicle. You call some of your neighbors, your buddies, you have them over there, 3 or 4 vehicles. Boom, you're all done in one day, one spot. So now you have no reason not to be proactive with your vehicle. You can buy a do-it-yourself kit from us online, free shipping. You can go to one of our 200 dealers from coast to coast, or you can now have a mobile undercoating come right to you at the convenience of your house and have your vehicle protected with NH Oil Undercoating. Please, any questions? Leave comments below, subscribe to our channel, otherwise stay rust-free.